Hello world. In this video, I am going to talk about the nutrition facts of bananas and explain their health benefits. I welcome you to the Research Your Food content platform. The mission of this platform is bringing food science to the consumers. I am Prashant. I am a food engineer and the founder of Research Your Food project. To get the latest updates about our videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Now, let's get into the topic. Like the majority of fruits and vegetables, bananas also contain quite a lot of water. Close to 75% of their total weight is water. These fruits definitely can help us in reaching our daily requirement of water, and especially so for people living in hot climates. Now, let's look at the carbohydrate content of bananas. Bananas are carbohydrate rich foods. The second most prevalent nutrient present in bananas after water is carbohydrate. Close to 23% of the weight of bananas is carbohydrate. 2.6% of the total weight of bananas is dietary fiber. We can say that bananas are moderately good sources of dietary fiber. Sugars constitute around 12% of the total weight of bananas. These sugars provide instant burst of energy that comes in handy for physically active people and athletes. In fact, banana is one of the most favored fruits for sportsmen and women around the world. Now, let's look at the fat content of bananas. Bananas contain negligible amount of fat. 100 grams of them contain just 0.33 grams of fat. This exceptionally low level of fat can be useful for people seeking weight loss and weight maintenance. Bananas contain just around 1% protein. They are definitely not a good source of protein. But the bananas can be consumed along with protein sources such as breakfast cereals, milk, and peanut butter to increase the overall protein intake. 100 grams of bananas contain just around 89 calories or 372 kilojoules of energy. Bananas can be considered as very low energy natural foods. Apart from the aforementioned macronutrients, bananas also contain a few vitamins and minerals. 100 grams of bananas provide around 22% daily value of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps our body in making antibodies that fight with infections. It also helps in making hemoglobin and maintaining nerve function. This vitamin also helps in keeping blood sugar in normal ranges. Hence, it is especially beneficial for people with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. 100 grams of bananas provide close to 10% daily value of vitamin C, 12% daily value of manganese, 8% daily value of potassium, and 6.5% daily value of magnesium. These vitamins and minerals are exceptionally important for maintenance of good health and fight various health problems that we face. For example, potassium may help in reducing blood pressure and very beneficial for people with hypertension. Magnesium helps maintain nerve and muscle function. It also helps in maintaining healthy immune system and bones. Manganese helps in the metabolism of amino acids, cholesterol and carbohydrates. It also helps in the bone formation and reproduction hormones. To conclude, bananas are exceptionally low energy fruits that are widely available throughout the world. They are also quite budget friendly. They are packed with sugars that are especially useful as a pre exercise or pre game meal for athletes. They provide healthy amounts of various vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, potassium, and magnesium. Bananas are also moderately good source of dietary fiber. I would suggest you to consume bananas in good quantities frequently as part of a healthy diet. Thanks for watching. At Research Your Food, I create content related to food science and nutrition. This video is a part of the food science and technology series. To get the latest updates about our videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and follow researchyourfood.com website. I hope to see you in my next video.